Good day, everyone. This is Profit Online Ozus. In this channel, we talk about money making opportunities. We talk about entrepreneurship, sales and marketing, motivation, content creation, and all you need concerning online money making opportunities. So, if you're a returning subscriber, please put a thumbs up to this video, like it, share it, comment on it. And if you're just coming, you are welcome. This is Profit Online Ozus. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification. In today's video, I'm going to be dealing with this question on the heart of so many people: how to create a WhatsApp link for your business. How to create a WhatsApp link for your business. Now, the first thing we'll do is to go to any of your browser, but for this sake, I'm going to be using Chrome. Then you go to your browser, type this site wa.link. Then it goes like that, and then on this interface, just scroll up a bit. You'll see create a WA link, a free one. Can you see it here? Create a free. So when you click it, it brings you here, and at this place, all you need to do, you can see, type your WhatsApp phone number. So let me use this one, starting from the okay. So then you put your custom message. Your custom message can be, hey Samuel, or hey Sam, I want to connect with you. My name is dash 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 dash. So here you can preview it. Can you see preview? You can preview. That means if you click it, it will show you how it's going to be. But so that this video will not be long, we just go to generate my WA link. Generate my WA link. Now your WA link has been generated. All you need to do is to come and copy it here. You can see copy here. So copy, and then open a new tab, and then paste it there. So when they click it, it brings them straight to your WhatsApp. When you click on continue to chat, and here you see straight to this place. Hey Sam, I want to connect with you. My name is Das. So this is how to create a WhatsApp link for your business, so that you can direct people straight to your WhatsApp. I believe you enjoyed this video. Please put a thumbs up to it, like it, and share it, so that others can also learn. And we'll see you in the next video.